everyone, welcome back to Jane's Marketing Channel. Today I will present to everyone how to use a multiple of TikTok bots. Automation. Go into the live stream to increase engagement. Automatic comment viewing boost. To help our live stream on TikTok. Can be suggested. And there are effects. Customer orientation. This is the software that makes it possible for us to be managers. Unlimited TikTok accounts, and these accounts people can be. Add a proxy to change the network address. Go to settings and go to leave settings. Here it is. I will choose any live stream to be able to boost. Then I'll go to the live stream. And now I'm going to choose a live stream, view people watching. To get the easiest demo. It's entirely possible that we're raising accounts according to the specific topic to be the most effective seating live stream. For example, go to sales, selling clothes, selling food, and so on. I will copy this live link here. Paste it here. And then we're going to select these accounts. And I currently have about 100.5 accounts. Go to this live stream to seating up. Here I will set up some configuration. Let's look at how many seconds this is and how many of these streams. Number of accounts running at the same time. There is this live stream. Comment or not this. There is a comment. I'll turn off the comment. Maybe I can even comment by AI. Then set up very simply, I just press. The software will start automatically. Go to this live stream to increase view. Increase comments. Please help increase our live stream recommendation. Let's see how the software works. And my clip here is over if there is. Need a live demo or have questions about the software? Please contact me directly through the phone number or Telegram. Bye.